Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a really cool 2023 trend, which is the latte look. So let's start. So the first step in 2023 makeup is that your skin has to be nice and glowing, and for that I'll be using this product today, which is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I'm just going to take a little bit of product on the back of my hand, and this shade is one shade darker than my skin tone because I wanted the whole latte look. So I have applied it all over my face and you can see my skin is actually glowing. I just love this product. Next step is eyeshadow, and I'll be using this Anastasia's Modern Renaissance palette. So I'm going to take this brown shade and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. This is just the base shade, and apply it evenly all over eyelids first. Doing the same thing on my other eye as well. Now let's take a little darker shade. This has a little bit of shimmer also to it, so I'm just going to apply it. This is going to be my second shade, a little darker than the other one that I've applied. You can see the transition a little bit now. So the next step that I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this darkest shade and I'm just going to apply it like a eye pencil, because I don't want to apply a black hole. So this is what I'm doing. It's like a liner here. So doing the same thing on my left eye as well. So I applied the liner. Now time for some mascara, and this is my favorite Benefit Roller Lash. So now I'm going to apply about 2 to 3 coats of mascara on both the eyes. Now time for some brow pencil, and this is my favorite one from Sephora. So I'm just going to do my brows really quickly now. Time for some foundation, and this is my favorite foundation by Fenty Beauty. It's the Pro Filter foundation. My shade is 240, and I'm just going to use my hands, just using my fingers, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. Now it's time to contour with this K-Beauty contour stick. So I'm just going to contour my cheeks and my nose a little bit. You all know that I don't contour too much, but I'm doing this just for the latte look and also to look a little bit bronzed. So I'm going to take a damp beauty blender. Make sure that your beauty blender is damp, and then only this will blend like really well. So doing just that here. This is my Fenty Beauty concealer. I'm just going to take a little bit, that's it, not too much, and I'm going to tap it, just tap, tap, tap. That's all you gotta do. Blush is going to be my favorite Makeup Revolution blush, and I'm just going to mix a little bit of pink and bronze, and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. It'll give me that nice flushed look. So this is what I'm doing here. Now I wanted to intensify my eyes a little bit, so I'm taking my Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, taking the black shade. I'm just going to apply it on my eyelids and also on my waterline because I'm not using kohl here. And this is the highlighter. I'm just going to highlight this on my cheeks and my eyebrows, a little bit on my nose and lips, and this will give me that really nice glowy face. And this is the Fit Me setting powder. So I'm just going to set my makeup with this powder really well, just applying a little bit, not too much. Time for lipstick, and this is the MAC lipstick. And you know what guys, guess what? This shade is called Mocha. So because we're doing latte makeup, I'm going to apply Mocha on my lips. think I should apply a little bit of gloss also. So this is the MAC Plumping Gloss, and it's a nice shade. It's kind of a nude shade. I think it look great. And now time for the end result. What do you guys think? I absolutely love this look, and please like this video guys, and also comment, let me know if you want me to do something different. I will see you soon. Bye bye.